Hi, good day, Miss Donna May Hernandez. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Donna May Cabatuan Hernandez, and I am 35 years old from Angono, Rizal, Philippines, and I am married to Virgilio Hernandez Jr.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any kids?
I have 3 kids, and my daughter is 11 years old. My son is 9 years old and 5 years old.
Alright, thank you. How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am the second in my siblings.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a high school graduate.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any work experience abroad?
I don't have experience abroad, but I have experience here in the Philippines. My previous work experience is on 1 year and 11 months, and my second one is 2 years.
Alright, thank you. What is your duties and responsibilities as helper?
My daily routine is cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, marketing, and taking care of the kids.
Alright, thank you. How many kids did you take care of in your previous employer?
Only one.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a kind person, polite, and I'm trust.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Alright, thank you. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to pay my children education, and I want to have my own house.
Alright, thank you. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
Stay calm and communicate clearly and more patient.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding.
Thank you for that. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, ma'am and sir, if you're giving me a chance to hire me, I promise to do my best, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract, and I'm willing to extend if you need my service. Thank you and God bless.